Hi guys, so we learned about logging. Logging is to log your informations, warning, error, or any critical message that you want to put inside logging file. Okay, and it's very important for any code that you write to be logged. Okay, any information that you want to give it to your logging so that when you do the debugging or you are getting any error, then things are very easy for you to debug when you have the proper logs. Okay, so we'll create a simple logging file. Okay, like this one, where we'll have a timestamp and then the message. Okay, and in the time there are different type of messages that you can give. So for error, critical, any warning, any information, or a debugging message that you want to put. Okay, okay, let's start how we can create this type of file of logging. So let's create a repository or a directory. Okay, logging queue, and inside that we'll create a file logging main.py. Okay, and we'll import logging and we'll create a function to log. Okay, and we'll firstly we need to set up a basic details there like this. So in basic details we'll add it the basic configuration like the file name, okay, in which file we want to save the data. Okay, I want to save the data to log.log, and file mode, there are three modes, right? Write it, append it, or delete it. After that, in which format we want to save. So format is we want to save firstly timestamp. So I set time, okay, and I want a message after that. Okay. So once that's done, then let's create an object. So I'm creating a logger, logging dot get logger. After that, in logger we'll set label. Okay. Sorry, logger dot set label. It's called logging. I want to save it as an information. Okay, and now we'll add the message. So if there is any information that you want to give, just add it here. Info logging, sorry, logger dot any error that you want to write it, the logging file, and this way logger dot if you want to give any warning. Okay, that's also possible. So warning logger dot if you want to give any critical message, and also you can do. And if you are just doing debugging, then also you can put the logging there. Okay, now in the main I'll call this function dot log. Okay, and I will go to the repository cd logging logging tool. Okay, and the wrong place right now. Let's go to that directory and logging Dude, there's no directory there. Okay, let me go to learn as and live. Let's create a new terminal. So we are inside that now. Let's run this, and you can see here that it created a logging file for us where it gave us the timestamp and then the message that yeah, we want to put. Okay, so info, debug, and critical. We are not getting this debug. So why? Because we are logging it. We set up the label as info, so debug will not be saved. So if I save it using debug, and if I run it now, you will see that it saved that debug one also into the file. Okay, I hope you liked it.